Let's start our new topics, parts of speech. Do you know how many parts of speech? As you heard, there are 8 parts of speech. First one is a noun. Second one is a pronoun. Third one is a verb. Fourth one is an adjective. Fifth one is a adverb. Sixth one is a preposition. Seventh one is a conjunction. And now eighth is a interjection. There are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Okay, let's start about the noun. As you heard about the noun, noun is the particular name of a person, place or things. But where there is my thinking that what is a noun? Every naming word is called a noun. Every naming word is called noun. It means in this world, if we put the name of anything, suppose that I draw a line and there is next line and once again there is a line, and now I put its name. What is its name? It means it is also a noun. It is also a noun. Every naming word is called a noun. That may be the person's name, animal's name, thing's name, whatever. There are 5 kinds of noun. First one is a proper noun. Second one is a common noun. Third one is a collective noun. Fourth one is a material noun. And fifth one is a abstract noun. How many nouns? There are 5 kinds of noun: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. You heard about these kinds of noun. Proper noun, it means it is a particular name of a person, place or things, that is called the proper noun. Common noun, which is common amongst all their kinds, that is called the common noun. Collective noun, which shows the group, that is called the collective noun. Material noun, which shows the substance or the matter, that is called the material noun. Abstract noun is that which cannot be seen or the touch, it only feels, that is called the abstract noun. Next, our parts of speech, pronoun. It's very important. In pronoun, perhaps you heard about the 5 kinds of pronoun, but there are 10 kinds of pronoun. Okay, let's watch. First, okay, as I told you about the kinds of pronoun, in your textbook there are only given 4 kinds of pronoun, but in reality there are 10 kinds of pronoun: personal pronoun, reflexive pronoun, interrogative pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, distributive pronoun, emphatic pronoun, reciprocal pronoun, indefinite pronoun, relative pronoun and the possessive pronoun. Okay, these are 10 kinds of pronoun. As I told you in your textbook, there are only given 4 kinds of pronoun. And also one more important things, form of pronoun. Both are different things. If someone asks how many kinds of pronoun, then you can explain that there are 10 kinds of pronoun or 5 kinds of pronoun, 6 kinds of pronoun or the 7 kinds of pronoun, whatever given in your textbook. But when someone asks how many form of pronoun, at that time there are only 3 form of pronoun. First one is a nominative. Second one is a objective, and third one is the possessive. These are the form of the pronoun: nominative, objective and the possessive. In personal pronoun, 2 nominative and objective pronouns come. In nominative, and also you heard about there are 3 kinds of person: first person, second person and the third person. Wait. Okay, as I told you about the kinds of pronoun, I told you there are 10 kinds of pronoun, but in your textbook that is given only 4 kinds of pronoun. And another things, form of pronoun, both are different things. Kinds of pronoun and form of pronoun both are different things. How many form of pronoun? There are 3 form of pronoun: subjective form or the nominative form, objective form and the possessive form. And also I told you there are 3 person in English: first person, second person and the third person. What is the first person, or who is the first person? Who is saying something. And what is second person? First person is describing about, first person is discussing about, that is called the third person. First person is discussing about, that is called the third person, and to whom he is discussing, that is called the second person. There are 3 person: first person, second person and the third person. In each person there is singular and the plural. In first person, I is a singular, we is a plural. Its objective form is a me, and its objective form is the us. Possessive form, my and mine, our and ours. In second person there is only one, you. You is both. It's used for the singular and for the plural. And in third person there is he, she, it. These are the form of the pronoun. Wait. Okay, let's start. Our new topic is a verb. What is a verb? Verb denotes an action. Verb denotes an action. What is verb? Verb denotes an action. There are 2 kinds of verb: helping verb and a main verb. How many types of verb? There are 2 types of verb: helping verb and main verb. Helping verb is also known as auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb is not a helping verb. Auxiliary verb is not a helping verb, but it helps it works like a helping verb. It means auxiliary verb or the helping verb. In main verb there are two types of main verb. Finite verb and the non-finite verb. There are two types of main verb, finite and non-finite verb. Finite verb, there are two types of finite verb, transitive and the transitive verb and intransitive verb. And there are three kinds of non-finite verb, that is the participle, gerund and infinitive. Okay, as I told you, there are two main parts of the verb, helping verb and the main verb. There are two parts of main verb, finite verb and the non-finite verb. Also there are two parts of finite verb, transitive and verb and intransitive verb. And three parts of non-finite verb, participle, gerund and the infinitive. If someone asks how many auxiliary verb, there are 24 auxiliary verb in quantity, and there are 22 helping verb. If in quantity both are different, it means qualities both are different. Auxiliary verb, there are two parts of auxiliary verb, primary auxiliary and modal auxiliary verb. There are two parts of auxiliary verb, primary auxiliary verb and the modal auxiliary verb. In primary there are 11 and in modal there are 13. In primary modal auxiliaries there is be form, is, am, are. In present form is, am, are, and in past form was and were. And have form, in present has and have, and in past had. And do form, in present do and does, in past did. There are 11 primary auxiliary verb: do, does, did, is, am, are, was and were, has, have and had. And I told you there are 13 modal auxiliaries verb. These are will, would, shall, should, may, might, can, could, must, ought to, dare to, need not, and used to. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. As I told you, there are 13 modal auxiliaries verb.